Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix common Windows 11 login problems. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do, if you're stuck on this lock screen here, is go ahead and just drag it up and then select the little power icon in the bottom right corner of this screen and then hold down the shift key on your keyboard. So hold down the shift key and then left click on restart while continuing to apply pressure to the shift key. And underneath choose an option, go ahead and select troubleshoot, reset your PC or see advanced options, and then select advanced options. Select where it says startup settings, change Windows startup behavior, and then select the restart button. Tap the F5 key, again the function 5 key on the top of your keyboard. It goes from F1 to F12, but tap the F5 key one time. And if you had to enter in a password, you could, but hopefully that should have been able to get you into safe mode. And at this point, all you have to do is just restart into your normal Windows operating environment. So right click on the Windows Start button, select Shutdown or Sign Out, and then we're going to go ahead and just restart. And there you go, guys. Hopefully, if you needed to enter in a password, you could enter a password in back, before you send it into your desktop here. But if you're able to get into safe mode, you should be able to get back into the Windows operating environment, like the normal boot mode. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial.